Hi, hello, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a first impression unboxing of a fragrance. This fragrance is from the Lyfestyle Co. And this is the Eau De Parfum. It is a travel size that retails for $40, but if you subscribe and save, it's $34. In this travel size, you are getting 10 milliliters of product, so it averages out to $4 per ml. This is described as a juicy, rich, and energetic fragrance. Eau De Parfum is said to take you on an aromatic journey towards balance and harmony. It's more than a scent, it's an experience. A harmonious blend of crisp apple, delicate violet, and creamy sandalwood, creating a refreshing yet deep scent with a warm, sophisticated finish. I have never heard of this brand before, and I love when I'm exposed to new brands. I'm really trying to grow my fragrance collection, and I keep reaching for the same 2 to 3, which is fine. Most people don't have an expansive fragrance collection, but I like to wear different scents for different occasions, for the gym, for work, going to bed, for different vacations, date night, you name it. I like to have a very diverse fragrance profile. So first impression, ooh, that is very clean. Very, very clean. It's sweet. I smell the violet and the sandalwood, and I typically like fragrances that do have sandalwood, but I really do like these clean fragrances, primarily for going to the gym or for going to bed. This is classified as a fresh and woody fragrance. It has top notes of apple and bergamot, middle notes of violet and cedar, and base notes of amber, sandalwood, and vetiver. So immediately there, with those base notes, I knew that I was going to love it. I didn't read the base notes until afterwards, but had I read it prior to spraying my first impression, I knew I would have immediately liked this. I could definitely see this as a bedtime fragrance, a gym fragrance, or if you just need a fragrance to transition from day to night. Let's say you're leaving the office, you're leaving the hospital, in my own case. Let's say you're meeting up with friends for drinks after work and you want to freshen up and you want to get those hospital or office germs off of you and not smell like hard labor. I would definitely throw this in the bag. It's very tame. It's bold, but it's tame. I could definitely see myself buying a bigger bottle of this and reaching for this on a regular basis. Just some additional notes about the fragrance. It is cruelty-free, vegan, hypoallergenic, paraben-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, and organic. I think that if this was a blind buy fragrance, it is definitely safe. If you guys want to purchase this fragrance, I'll make sure to leave a link down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.